pitch for the whole show.
Oh, yeah!
And every year we're looking for fair set players. It's very hard to get them. Like, I know there's loads of players out there, and you know, if they ever want to come along and play, they're welcome. I'd be always searching to get the gender balance a bit better here in the States. Anyway, Pauline's going to play now.
2 reels.
2 reels, okay.
We love the reels in county players.
We do, yeah, we love our reels. Put your hand together for Pauline, please.